I'm going 12, season 5, LoftyVagary, July 18th, 2017. Tuesday. Any games that I say July 18th, 2017 are Tuesday. I said one. Sombra. Winston over the top. Sombra point. Probably has our small pack hacked. Winston low up top. He's half. Yeah, try to snipe me with your fucking puny guns when I can heal myself. Fucking idiots. Fucking fall off range like these niggas never heard of that shit. Sombra hacked our fat pack in the bottom right. She's gonna come back to the point right now. She's her.
Yep, I'm dead.
Alright, Ryan's down. Top, 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 top. Make that rest count. Use ults to keep it. We have 2 down. Use ults to keep it. Use ults to keep it. Need that high noon in a good spot. Or we could use a tactical visor. Use ults to keep it. I'm going Sombra for the Sombra counter. I want to make sure we have health packs. Open to suggestions. McCree, please change off.
Yeah, he's 100% not going to.
Didn't even use your high noon. See, if you had a visor, it would have been way more useful in that situation.
Yeah, this guy doesn't give a fuck. There's no point in giving.
Alright.
He's not gonna fly or say or do anything.
Well, I can't climb. Right hacks.
Yo, we need to fucking address this Bastion. Like, we need a sniper or something. Like, he's just an unsailor doing whatever the fuck he wants, guys.
Well, part of it is we're 5-on-6, so that's kind of the issue.
I mean, yeah.
He's hacked. He has his tank form. But McCree is like kind of absolutely useless. Like his gun, the fall off range is too early. that.
They're on the payload. They're over by the payload.
Bastion flanking. Bastion flanking. No. Run low, run the half. Run half. PL, PL, PL. Bastion dead. Ryan low. We're in good shape. Sombra low. Good kill. Bastion hack. McCree low.
He was on the roof.
EMP hot and ready. Forward with the EMP. We need explosives, Farah or a Junkrat. Someone that's good at them. Can we get... Dude, I swear to God, we're gonna lose because it's McCree. Like, he's not being effective. He's not in the kill feed. It's a shitty hero. That's the only reason. Like, there's nothing else besides that. He's not in the fucking kill feed. He's not in the kill feed because McCree's bad. It's like, it's that simple. EMP. Got 4. Ryan hacked. Ryan hacked. Ryan hacked. McCree up top. $45.
That was so much harder than it should have fucking been. Like, way.
Like, I'm not even exaggerating. I don't know if I saw him in the kill feed at all.
No, he hasn't been. I had that shit pre-selected.
And like, the worst part is like, he doesn't even have a lot of time on him on all modes. He's his number like 6.
Yeah, like 4 hours or some shit.
He's got 8, but it's his 6th in all modes.
Another hero tank.
Some people just don't take it seriously at all. This is really what I want to do.
Here's the question. You guys want to try?
Yeah, my speaker's on that whole time.
Ask if I want to swap, or are you going to demand again?
I've been asking. We've been just requesting the whole time.
Don't
Dude.
act like I can't fucking.
He said, He said, please no McCree. In my opinion...
Let me give you the bind again. Let me give you the bind.
Please. There's a fucking please at that. How is that a demand, you fucking retard? Alright, whatever, you're trash, dude. I'm muting you. Fucking dumbass people in this game, I swear to God.
Yeah.
They're gonna fucking super cheese this, by the way.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
We should be able to die this. They don't have any consistent damage. Just go in and kill everybody.
Objective A captured. Escort the payload. The payload. Everything can be hacked. And everyone.
How does my mic... Why would you go to that window? That's so stupid. My mic going to that window makes sense. Did she get it? Fuck, man! I've been so fucked this game. My fucking mic being off the whole time. Like I didn't touch it. Like, as if I didn't like try to fucking turn it off. I'm so pissed. I'm so fucking upset because my fucking mic was off for no reason. A. B. Fucking... It's the only reason because I was all tabbing and shit. Let me get this. Fucking hell, this McCree. He has decent aim compared to our McCree, for sure. I want to win this Hans. He uses this fucking.
Oh, I fucking fat fingered that.
Let me get the fucking gel one. Got everyone. Two down, three down.
McCree's on the roof. He has ulti. He's gonna probably cut all. He's behind us. He's on the.
Yep, he has it. He has high noon for sure. Good job. Hans up top. Hans on the roof. On the saloon. Easy take, bump him off. Use ults to take it. 3 ults ready. Use ults to take it for sure. We cannot get pushed off this point. We got a nano hot. Use it on Diva or Zarya probably. Reaper hot. Come on.
I'll go to our right somewhere.
Okay. We got both the fatbacks hacked in this area. Very close to the end. EMP hot and ready. Oh, you're fucked, Sombras. Oh, no. Okay, EMP. EMP.
All of them are purple.
Right hacked. Right hacked. Nice. The May. The Zarya. Zarya hacked. Great fucking ult. The May, use your block. Good job. Nice. Wow. Even with an uncooperative person. It's pretty good right there. I know. There's a lot of fucking assisted damage. In transmission.